Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. A wildly fantastic video today. We have a vacuum sealer and a raw chicken. Y'all watch what I'm fixing to do. Who else on YouTube is doing this today? Me. Be right back. Alright, so what we got, I'm going to take myself out of the picture here. We have a Food Saver vacuum sealer, and I've got it on an extension cord, so I'll probably mess something up. I got a couple of the Food Saver bags. And what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to cut this chicken up. And since it's just me and Tanya at home, I'm probably going to split it in half and freeze each half of it. So let's see how that does. Let me move the camera back around to the other side. All right, so what we got a 4.5 pound young chicken. I don't know how old it is. It just said young chicken on the pack. So what I'm gonna do, and I think these large bags, everything I got here will be linked in the description. I am not sponsored by anybody in this world, just myself. One man show. But it looks like half a chicken will fit in that bag. This is a Food Saver brand bag. It's already sealed at the bottom. One thing about it, I'll tell you this real quick. If you go to the grocery stores now, this is April 2021. If you go to the grocery stores, you might not find some things that you're wanting. I don't know what the deal is. I don't want to get into all that on YouTube, but so me and my wife, we bought a freezer and we've been stocking up a little bit, just a little, not much, and we don't go out anywhere. We cook at home. I do a lot of cooking, so we decided to start vacuum sealing some of this stuff so it doesn't get freezer burn, because there's nothing worse than a real nice piece of meat that has freezer burn. So what I got my cutting board. I got a sharp pair of kitchen shears, and I have a real sharp knife. And what I'm gonna do, I got some paper towels. I'm gonna take this thing. Now, there's several ways you can half a chicken. You can spatchcock it. That's a fancy way for cutting the back out of it and flattening it. But since it's just me and Tanya, I'm gonna just split it. So I'm gonna come up the back on this, and I wish I had a better camera shot at this. I'll try to zoom in best I can. I hope my shears will cut it. This is the first time I've ever done this too, so. Need a pair of garden shears, what I need. But what I did, I washed the chicken off and dried it a little bit. And I'll speed this up so you don't have to see me laboring through cutting the chicken. Well, yes, Gretchen, I see you ringing the bell. You know, see, I'm cutting the chicken. Okay, there's the back. Now, I'm not going to contaminate anything with this, so I'm going to leave it right there on the cutting board. All right, now I'm going to take my shears and go right through the breastbone. And I'm probably not doing this right. You know, I generally just cut a chicken up and fry it. I don't freeze it, so. Chicken don't last long at our house, so. One of those things where you say, thank goodness I'm good at my day job. All right. So now I have 2 halves of a chicken, 2 bags. I'm gonna pull you right down on top here and we'll watch this thing work. All right. So here we are at the vacuum sealer. I almost said food processor. Vacuum sealer. So I got my bag. Hopefully to goodness y'all can see. So I'm going to take my paper towel and I'm going to dry this thing off. I'm going to take the bag, and it's like we were putting up hamburger meat last night, and it says in the instructions to leave 3 inches of room for it to, I guess, suck all the air out and everything. I'm sure to wipe all this off. Okay, this vacuum sealer has a moist and dry setting. This will be moist because it's got some juices, so. But I think it'll be all right. So I'll open it up, and the end of it goes right in the little vacuum chamber. And by the way, this is the Food Saver 2100 series. And so far, it's doing a pretty good job. All right, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it over on operate. The power light comes on and the food. And anybody's wondering, I will clean all this up when I get done. All right, so then I've got it on moist. I'm gonna hit vacuum seal. And here it go. It's sealing the bag right now. Still sealing the bag. And it's done. When all these lights go off, it's done. Turn the knob. And I got 1 chicken that's ready to go in the freezer as soon as I wipe this off a little bit. Well, but I'm gonna take a Sharpie marker, wherever the print is, I'm gonna write on it what it is up here or right here. But that is 1/2 chicken that we can go in the freezer with. So now I'll come back over here to this other one and do it. Well, I got a lot of cleaning to do after this. Like I said, we put up a bunch of hamburger meat last night, and it was super easy to do, and won't have to worry about it freezer burning. So that's pretty cool. There's nothing like throwing out a $5 pack of, or $6 pack of meat and have a freezer burn. That hurts. All right. There's another one. That's my thumbnail. All right. So that's all there is to it. All right, so hopefully you'll get something out of this. Very easy to vacuum seal your own food. You don't have to go buy everything. I mean, all pre-packaged and everything. You can package yourself. That's a half chicken that I did in about 2 minutes. So it just seems longer on video. But anyway, if y'all want to see a review on this little unit right here, it's a Food Saver 2100 series. So far it's working pretty good. If y'all want to see a review, let me know. I'm going to clean up all the chicken stuff around here, and I think I got some more meat I got to put up, but whatever I got to do, then I got to cook supper. So anyway, y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that little subscribe button, hit that bell, be notified. I think it's over here. It's over here. Anyway, hit that bell. We're at 512 subscribers. I can't thank you enough. Can't appreciate you enough. Can't thank you enough for all the time that you watch the videos, all the comments. I've got a lot of good comments. If y'all vacuum seal your own food, let me know. I'd like to know what you do and how you do it. What all can you vacuum seal? But anyway, hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everybody's having a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching. God, I got a mess to clean up. Whew. Man, hard on old man.